success or failure of the war on drugs. So any consequences arising therefrom, he will assume responsibility. Kaya sabi niya, kung nagkamali yan dahil inutos ko, hindi isama niyo ako sa demanda kasi ako nagutos. But ang problema, hindi yung palaging nakakalimutan, hindi natatandaan, na from the very beginning, yung kanyang utos is predicated on law. What was his utos? I'm declaring war on drugs. Do your jobs as policemen. Arrest them, bring them to jail, and prosecute them. If they resist arrest, then huwag kayong darating ditong bangkay. Because under the law, you're justified to kill. That is the order of the President. Yun ang palagi nakakalimutan eh.